Gibraltar, and what beast that must exist? It flies with music from our lips and steals our kiss and blows it out into the mist. Where castles stand on cliffs and cobbled streets, they wind and drift, and moods are made and set but shift. This place where skies are low and birds are big. We went to sleep in day and woke again the same day. We have learned to cheat the time, and find the hours that the clocks cannot define. Oh, as I looked up from that stage, I felt the thing that had been made, and how it raged, and how it raged. How to explain? Something makes me howl and shiver to the core. Oh, outside if it was raining, then inside there'd be a storm. We've got a pair of hands for climbing, and a pair of knees to spring, and a pair of balls for strength, and a pair of lungs to sing. And these simple chords that say music is the language of our soul. These songs is to be written, or the chorus always knows what is in store. And what is more, the thing that sings us is the thing that makes us roar. I felt the beast kiss on my neck, we clapped our hands and heard them spread. There was a trumpet and a call, a pack of Spaniards screamed from all. Our music is the language of our soul. 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 Cause these things are the things that can't be said, and when it strikes the memory from our heads. Once I wrote two plays to be immortal for a night, and despite the unknown hours, something happens when the light turns out the lights. Then we fade and yawn to music that's the language of our soul.